Hi, learners, and welcome to Micah's Digital Content and Marketing Specialization. Firstly, congratulations to each one of you for having taken the decision to invest in upskilling yourself and nurturing your own future. Now, you will all agree that we live in really, really interesting times, be it as working professionals or as consumers ourselves. We have seen over the last 5 years an unprecedented adoption of digital channels by consumers. And as that has happened, more and more business are digitalizing their products and services. As a result of this, the way consumers interact with brands and services has undergone a dramatic change. Today's consumer is a completely different animal, and I'm sure all of us will agree. The fact is that today's consumer is highly opinionated, impatient, they have extremely high expectations from brands and services. Worst of all is today's consumer is easily distracted because they are spoiled for choice. In every single category of service, there is now a plethora of brands available either in the brick or mortar space or online. All things told, this is a real nightmare for today's modern marketers. Now, if the consumer has evolved so much and if brands and services are evolving their own services and products to this consumer, then marketing has to naturally follow suit. And modern marketing requires a completely fresh perspective and a different way of doing things. That's the reason why we actually created the digital content and marketing specialization, combining two key domains into a single course. Because these domains, content and digital marketing, today represent the key arsenal that any marketer has to woo consumers to buy their product or service. More importantly, to ensure that learners get genuinely upskilled in these domains. This entire course is 100% designed and delivered by content and marketing experts. These are professionals who have been working in these fields for over 15 years at least and continue to do so. They are working in the cutting edge of these domains, and therefore they're going to be able to give you a real perspective of what's happening now and what's expected to come in next. Now, what can you expect in this course? Now, in most organizations, we are seeing digital content and digital marketing are fast becoming a singular responsibility of the marketing team. Therefore, what you need is a robust understanding of each of these domains in order for you to be able to succeed in any marketing role that you are currently doing or have an ambition to do in the future. Today, let's talk about your digital content. What are you going to learn in this course? In the beginning, we're going to talk about the content infinity loop and how a continuous process of creating, deploying, measuring, and recalibrating brand or business content is at the core of any good and robust content program. Be exposed to a very, very simple framework of storytelling in the digital world and how you can actually use this framework to create either branded content or create a digital brand campaign. Next, you will get an understanding of how content can be deployed across various digital platforms and also used for marketing. And most importantly, we're going to introduce you to transmedia storytelling, a process where the same brand story can be told in different ways across different digital touchpoints. That's really an exciting way of how to enhance engagement and get more attention from our consumers. And finally, we will talk about something that you also really need to know whenever you're working with digital content, which is about content pitfalls. We know that we live in sensitive times where social media allows different people with very different opinions to actually comment on any content created by brands or services. And therefore, when you are in the process of developing content, it's very, very critical to keep a lookout for certain issues that could crop up because of the way you're telling a content story and also the actions that you can take to actually avoid this. How will you be upskilled during this program? Now, this program is designed to ensure that you get a deep, thorough, and most importantly, a very practical perspective of the domains that you are learning about. During this course, you will learn through multiple processes. One, through a process of self-study, where you will get access to pre-study material that we have specifically curated with our domain experts to help you understand the concepts and the fundamentals of the subject that you're going to learn every week. Every Sunday between 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. will be the live session, which is the most important part of this course, where our faculty will teach you how to apply the concepts and the fundamentals that you have learned in a real world situation. You will also learn through group and individual assignments, through case studies, and through interactive sessions that happen during this live session. And to add to the overall learning, we've also invited a number of experts, both from within India and outside of India, to take you through a broader perspective of the topic that you are learning during our Content Expert Dialogue series. Now, a large part of this course is going to be delivered through the live sessions. So it's really important that you make the effort to attend these sessions, because that's when you get to interact with the faculty, that's when you get to apply concepts that you are learning, and more importantly, that's when you get a chance to interact with your fellow batchmates and learn from the perspective of different domains that they come from. We are really, really confident that you're going to enjoy this course, and more importantly, when you emerge from this course, you will truly be capable to apply everything that you've learned back at your workplace and build your own digital content and marketing career. We wish you all the best and look forward to interacting and working with you throughout this course.